The maritime industry is one of the top 5 transportation industries. The technology has not been widely applied and disseminated. System development in Southeast Asian countries, such as Malaysia and Indonesia, are using the inland waterway system. It is specialized software. Because of its specificity, there are few competitors, and get a relatively stable and sustainable cash flow. Container ship transport management software. The software works in 3 steps. The first step is to digitize the entire technical design file of the ship to know the length and GM system stability of the train. In the second step, enter the list of containers to be loaded on the ship. The software will calculate many options to ensure the highest safety index. After that, the captain will choose an appropriate loading and unloading plan to ensure that the GM index remains within a safe threshold without having to move or reverse the container too much. The best optional solution: Internet of Things and AI sensors, machine learning to describe, predicting the future, avoiding risk. Blockchain and product integration integrate with GPS, navigation, predictive features, and statistical skills. B2B marketing strategy. Combine the strategies at the same time. Inbound marketing and account-based marketing. Inbound marketing will focus on building the brand, the product, and getting the company to the consumers who need it. Create necessary values. Core information on social platforms, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Develop SEO to increase brand awareness. On the other hand, account-based marketing will focus on understanding their consumers, analyzing data and resources of client companies to find the most potential customers with needs and ability to pay high. Mission and vision of the business. The future of shipping. Sustainable. Safe. Green.